So if you've been eyeing any unit from the Outre Converti Cap collection, I'll be reviewing this Wavy Baby in the color DR2 Golden Amber. So the hair has been holding up in the last 2 weeks. The curls definitely look different, or rather the waves, compared to the wig card and visuals from day one. That is because it does tangle a lot, so I've been brushing it and detangling it just to make sure that I can still maintain the quality of the hair and still manage to wear it. It's nothing that cannot be sorted out, and I was just using either my hands or a wide tooth comb. In terms of any shedding, I've really experienced no shedding, even when I do brush it out, even when I do detangle it out, because I make sure that I am very gentle. Like, you know, that type of shedding where you leave a trail, like people know where you've been. Oh, she's been in the room because you left a trail of hair behind you. No, it doesn't do that. I really have not experienced any of that. The other thing that I like is that the hair feels so soft. If I didn't tell you it was synthetic hair, like if I blindfolded you and I made you feel the hair, the way it feels so soft and so human-like, you would never tell that it's synthetic hair. And that's the other thing I like about Outre. They make very nice synthetic wigs that can stand the test of time, synthetic wigs that are not too shiny, that don't give off that plastic looking shine that we've come to know, or rather hate, about synthetic wigs. When it comes to the inside of the wig, it is a drawstring wig, so really it can accommodate many different types of head sizes and head shapes. So you just slip it on and then you tug the drawstring at the back to make it fit snug and make it fit your own head size and head shape. It has 4 combs. It has one large one in the front and 2 medium-sized one over here on the sides, and then 1 small to medium sized one at the back. And then the wig cap, it says that it is a antibacterial, or rather bacteria resistant cap. I'm not too sure what that is. It's the first time I've heard of it. Basically says that the cap is made from special antimicrobial materials that slow down the growth of odor causing bacteria and promotes a healthy scalp. Oh, so the antimicrobial materials are in there to inhibit the growth of bacteria on the wig cap, especially since the wig cap will be coming into contact with your hair, and your hair has many hair products which are nutrients for bacteria and other microorganisms such as viruses and fungi, which I think is a nice invention, because I feel like I wash my synthetic hair less than I do my human hair. So the antibacterial resistant cap is just to ensure that the cap does not deteriorate over time due to growth of microbes. This is the style Wavy Baby in the color DR2 Golden Amber, and on the stock card you can see the other colors that are available: tiramisu, cinnamon wine, chocolate swirl, chocolate dream, ginger brown, golden amber, which is what I'm wearing. You can style it in many different ways. You can have it as a pony, you can have it as a full wig, you can have it as a leave out, and it is heat resistant. So if these curls really over time unravel too much for you, you do know that you can either straighten it to take it to a body wave, a wavy type of texture, or to even add more curls to the hair. For me, I've really been wearing it mostly like this, as a headband wig with just a minimal amount of leave out. If you find that most of the time you do only wear it as a full wig, you never really have any leave out, cut out these combs, they're not necessary. If you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure to click on these 2 videos over here. I'll see you again in my next one.